Isuot mo ang singsing na ito.
Tanda ng aking pag-ibig.
Up, pause muna. Ano nga bang mga nangyari bago ang ceremony? Balikan natin.
Hi! Hinihintay na lang namin yung bride and groom. Nauna pa kami. Nauna na din. Say hi!
Kala mo may ano, no?
Bakit nandyan ikaw?
Kung nasinibad mo kami kamay, hatid mo siya dito. Yung paupuin mo, tapos ikot. Upo.
Patingin nga na hawak mo. Ano hawak mo? Yes.
Let's go.
Ano na everyone, sa inyong dalawang bride at sa inyong mga guests na nandito ngayon. Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. So welcome to the Sigil Wedding. So may I request please everyone, let us all stand up. Mari po ba tayong lahat ay tatayo? At dahil tayo, Raika and Patrick, ay nasa ilalim ng traditional Sigil Wedding, kayong dalawa isusumpa sa batas ng Republika ng Pilipinas under the family code. Hindi ko na itatanong kung may tututol. Kung tututol pa, hindi ko matulong ka sa yung dalawa. Okay, kung wala tututol, palakpakan na ulit natin ang Okay, now Patrick and Iris, in church wedding, the meaning of marriage is still dead, do us part. In civil wedding, it is permanent union of husband and wife, meaning no contract, lifetime, no expiration. Patrick, please raise your right hand for the oath. Patrick, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself forever in love and service to your future wife, Iris Raika?
Yes.
And Patrick, do you take this bride to become your lawful wife?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Pat. Lower your hand. Iris Raika, ikaw ba'y naparito ngayong hapon ayon sa iyong sariling kagustuhan at pagpapasya na walang ibang pumilit sa iyo para magpakasal kay Patrick?
Apo.
And Iris, tinatanggap ko din ba si Patrick na maging legal mong asawa?
Apo.
So, mas mababa ang kamay. Exchange of marriage vow.
Irish. From the moment you came into my life, everything started to make sense in ways I never expected. Hindi ko alam kung paano mo nagawa, pero dahan-dahan mong binago ang mundo ko. Sa tuwing nakikita kita, hindi lang saya ang nararamdaman ko. It's kind of peace, comfort, and certainty that I never knew I was looking for until I found it in you. You became my safe place, yung taong gusto kong takbuhan kapag masaya ako, lalo na kapag pagod, nalilito, o nasasaktan ako. With you, I found a home, not a place but a person. Kapag binabalikan ko lahat ng pinagdaanan natin, napapangiti ako. Our endless conversations, our laughter, our real adventures, and even the ordinary days na wala naman tayong ginawa kundi magkasama lang. Those moments may seem simple, but they became some of the most beautiful memories of my life because I spent them with you. But as beautiful as our journey has been, I know it hasn't always been easy. One of our deepest wounds we've ever carried was losing our baby. There are no words that could ever fully describe that kind of pain. I saw the heartbreak in your eyes, and every tear you cried felt it broke something inside me too. There were days when the pain felt unbearable, yet somehow, even in the middle of that grief, we chose each other. Hindi tayo bumitaw. We held on to one another when everything else felt like it was falling apart. And through that pain, I realized something even deeper. I didn't just want you beside me during the good days. I wanted you beside me through every storm, every loss, every challenge life could ever bring. Because if there's one person I want to face this life with, it's you. Irish, one of the things I love most about you is your heart. The way you love is rare. It's pure, genuine, selfless, and full of grace. You take care of the people you love without asking for anything in return. You believe in me during moments when I struggle to believe in myself. Maraming beses na hindi pa malinaw ang daan para sa atin, pero hindi ka nagduda. You stood beside me, supported my dreams, and trusted the future we were building together. Your faith in me became one of the reasons I kept moving forward, because every day, you inspire me to become a better man than I was yesterday. So today, in front of the people who love us and before God, I make these promises to you. I vow to love you faithfully, patiently, and wholeheartedly through every chapter of our lives. I vow to hold your hand, not only during our happiest moments, but especially during the days when life feels heavy, uncertain, and unfair. I vow to protect your heart, respect your feelings, listen to your fears, and never make you carry your burdens alone. I vow to continue building the life we've always dreamed of, a home filled with peace, laughter, understanding, forgiveness, and unconditional love. I vow to celebrate your victories, comfort you in your pain, and remind you every day of how beautiful, strong, and incredible you are, especially during the moments you forget it yourselves. And when life tests us again, because I know it will, I promise that you will never face it alone. Sa bawat luha, sa bawat takot, sa bawat laban, kakampi mo ako palagi. Irish, today I am not only choosing you as my wife, I'm choosing you as my best friend, my partner in every battle, the keeper of my heart, the greatest blessing God has ever given me, and the love I will continue choosing every single day for the rest of my life. You are the woman I prayed for, the person who taught me what real love looks like, and the one I want beside me when I grow old. And if someday I were given the chance to live this life all over again, to start from the very beginning and choose once more, I would still find my way back to you. Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Every time, every lifetime. Always. Love you.
Yung response ko doon sa mga maikling sinabi sa iyo.
Hi, love, 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 my honey bun sugar plum. Grabe no, from asking, love, kailan ba magiging tayo? To love tayo na, to love, kailan mo ako papakasalan? And here we are exchanging our vows. I remember way back na ayaw mo maging tayo agad kasi feeling ko ayaw mo rin madalhin. Then one night thing, bibili lang dapat tayo ng pagkain. When you open the top box, there was a flower on it. I knew it, that's the time na tatanungin mo na ako kung pwede na maging tayo. Kahit alam mo naman na hindi ka pa nagtatanong, oo na agad ang sagot ko. If may magsasabi lang sa akin before ng isang random night sa Ome, while doing my homework and reviewing for my upcoming exams will lead me to you, I probably wouldn't believe it. Pero doon, sa pinakasimple moment na yon, in just one click ng next na kilala kita, I found the person who would change my life in the most beautiful way. I found the person who saw my worth in every aspect of life. I know that you're not that vocal and hindi ka rin ganun ka-showy, yet you made me feel love in the most unexpected ways. You even traveled Las Piñas to Silang just to see me. Drove 204 kilometers just to meet my family in Quezon. Then pa lang, alam ko na genuine feelings mo sa akin. I love how you handle things in your own way when things get heated. I love how you say sorry without actually saying it. Through actions, through pagkain, and the simple breakfast na ikaw mismo nagluto, through your efforts. Kahit lagi mo sinasabi na never ka naman nagkamali, so bakit ka sorry? Perfect yarn. But I know that your gestures are the ones that speaks for you. Ramdam ko kung gaano mo ako kamahal sa kung paano mo ako alagaan at mahalin araw-araw. We've been through moments that tested us, mga misunderstandings, and pagkakataon na nasaktan tayo. Mga pagkakataon na mas pinili natin magpatawad sa isa't isa. But instead of breaking us, those moments made us stronger. Gaya nga ng sabi ng Cup of Joe, kahit ilang taon ang lumipas, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. And then there were the hardest moments. The moment that changes us deeply. Losing our baby, trying again and again. And having the pain of waiting. I saw your strength when mine was fading. When I was losing hope, you reminded me that maybe hindi pa natin oras. Na baka hindi pa siya para sa atin at baka may magandang plano pa para sa atin si God. You held on not just for yourself but for us. Sabi nga ni Flo G, ikaw bahala sa akin, ako bahala sa'yo. Today, I stand here with a full of heart choosing you again. I vow to make you happy, not just in the big moments, but in the small everyday ones. I promise to choose you not just in this lifetime, but in every universe where I get the chance to love you. I vow to support you and build a life that we can both be proud of. I promise to learn how to bake pastries that are not too sweet just the way you like them. And more than that, I vow to be your partner, your peace, and especially your home. And I vow to be the best wife and mom to our future kids. I promise to become someone worthy of your love just as you have always been worthy of mine. This is my forever with you, and just like what I always say, I love you above and beyond airplanes could ever fly. Patrick ko, my constant, my love. Happy 3rd anniversary. I love you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Patrick and Iris. You always remember the vows for chase, ha? So cherish and honor it. God bless you. Harap kayong dalawa. Patrick, hawakan yung kamay ni Raika. Look at her eyes and repeat after me. Pat, say your name. I
Patrick,
accept you.
accept you,
Say her name.
Iris.
Before the solemnizing officer
Before the solemnizing officer
to be my wife.
to be my
And I
wife,
promise.
and I promise,
And to meet covenant
and to meet covenant
in front of God.
in front of God,
And these witnesses
and these witnesses
that I will become
that I will become
a lovable
a lovable
and faithful husband
and faithful husband
in abundance,
in abundance,
in needs,
in needs,
in strength,
in strength,
in sorrows,
in sorrows,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
till death do us part.
till that do us work.
Okay, Patrick, remember that, ha? Write the same. Look at the signs and repeat after me. Raika sa Tagalog. Ako si
Ako si Irish.
tinatanggap kita.
Tinatanggap kita,
Pangalan mo.
Patrick,
Sa harap ng solemnizing officer
sa harap ng solemnizing officer
na maging aking asawa.
na maging aking asawa.
Aking ipinapangako
Aking ipinapangako
sa harap ng may kapal
sa harap ng may
at
kapal
itong mga saksi
at nitong mga saksi
na ako'y maging magiliw
na ako'y maging
at
magiliw
tapat na asawa
at tapat na asawa
sa kasaganaan,
sa kasaganaan,
sa pangangailangan,
sa pangangailangan,
sa kalakasan,
sa kalakasan,
sa kalungkutan,
sa kalungkutan,
sa karamdaman
sa karamdaman,
at kalusugan
at kalusugan.
habang tayong dalawa
Habang tayong dalawa
ay nabubuhay.
ay nabuhay.
Tuparin mo rin kayang pangako mo kay Patrick, ha? God bless you both. Pat, pakikuha mo sing-sing ni Irish.
Ay, mali.
Pakipwesto mo sa kaliwang daliri. Isuot mo, kalahati mo na. So Patrick, sa kaliwa yan, ibig sabihin bawal mangaliwa. Sa kaliwa yan, sign of love kasi malapit sa puso ni Iris. Okay? Look at her eyes again and say her name.
Irish,
Kailanman ay hindi kita pagtataksilan.
kailanman ay hindi kita pagtataksilan.
Suot mo ang sing-sing na ito,
Isuot mo ang singsing na ito,
tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan.
tandaan ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan.
Mula sa araw na ito
Mula sa araw nito
hanggang magpakailanman.
hanggang magpakailanman.
Okay, go ahead, Pat. Thank you so much. The same bride. Iris sa kaliwang daliri ni Patrick, half only. Look at his eyes and say his name.
Patrick,
Kailanman ay hindi kita pagtataksilan.
kailanman hindi kita pagtataksilan.
Isuot mo ang siksing na ito,
Isuot mo ang singsing na ito.
tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan.
Tanda ng aming pag-ibig at katapat.
Mula sa araw na ito
Mula sa araw na ito
hanggang magpakailanman.
hanggang magpahayag.
Kaya buhay. Palakpakan po natin sila. Congratulations, Patrick and Iris. Okay, now you are legally married, ha? Tandaan niyo palagi yung mga sinabi niyo, sinumpaan kanina sa isa't isa, sapagkat yan ang magiging pundasyon ninyo habang kayo ay nabubuhay na magkasama. Okay, naganap ang kasal niyo ngayon, hindi dahil sa kalooban ninyo, hindi dahil sa gusto niyo dalawa. Nagaganap ang pag-iisang dibdib ng dalawang puso dahil ito ay kalooban ng Diyos. Because the author of marriage is the Holy God. Okay? Kasi kahit anong gawin yung pagpapasyan dalawa, pag decision ko hindi kalooban ng Diyos, dadami lang anak ko hindi ko makakasal. Naintindihan? O, itong pipirmahan niyo ha, dokumento lamang ito ng gobyerno for legality. Pag nag-away kayo, nagtalo, pwedeng sunugin, pwedeng punitin. O, pag nagbate, kuha ulit sa PSA. O, nagtalo ulit, sunog, punit, kuha. Marami na sa PSA yun, ibig sabihin. Yung pinangako ninyo sa harapan ng Diyos, isang author ng inyong kasal, huwag niyong sirain. Kasi ang marriage is privilege. Marriage is a gift from God. Kaya huwag niyong sirain yan. Pahalagahan niyo. Alam niyo kung bakit ko sinasabi ito. Dahil maraming kasintahan sa mundong ito na pinagtagpo pero hindi itinadhana. Kaya malaki ang pagkakaibahan ng itinadhana kaysa sa pinagtagpo. Pag sinabing itinadhana, gaya ng inyong sinumpaan, pinangako kanina na kayo ay magsasama till death do you part. Okay? Tanging ang kamatayan lamang ang maaaring makakapaghiwalay sa itinadhana ng Diyos. Pero doon sa pinagtagpo ng panahon, hindi yan nagtatagal. Maghihiwalay. Naintindihan? O, pag sinabing itinadhana ng Diyos, lifelong commitment, no retreat, no surrender. Kahit anong hirap ng buhay, masaya, malungkot, mahirap, maginhawa, kailangan yung tanggapin sa pag kayo ay nakapag-commit sa harapan ng Diyos na kayo ay magsasama hanggang sa kamatayan. Naintindihan ko sabihin? O panindigan nyo lahat ang inyong mga pinangako, ha? Hanggat ko ang inyong pagtatagumpay, Patrick and Iris, mula sa araw na ito na kayo ibigan ng mag-asawa sa harapan ng Diyos, sa ating batas at may mga saksi kayo sa inyong pag-iisang dibdib sa araw nito. I hope and pray to God. Wish ko sa inyong dalawa, Pat and Iris, na hanggang sa huling yugto ng inyong hininga, kayong dalawa pa rin ang magkasama. God bless you. Harap kayo na iba. Everybody please stand up, Ma'am Sir. Okay, now Patrick and Iris Raika, in the presence of these witnesses, this is the final declaration. Harap kayong dalawa, hawak ng kamay. Closer. Patrick and Iris Raika, as a solemnizing officer, by the power and authority vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, and looking unto heaven for divine sanction, Patrick and Iris Raika, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Congratulations, Patrick and Raika. Okay, Pat, since you're not legally married to your bride, Iris, this is the sign. Ikaw yung kikis kay Raika. Okay lang? Or official photo lang tayo para may ebidensya, okay? Ready ka na, Pat? Look at her eyes. You may now kiss your beautiful wife, Raika, in 3 seconds. Please slowly. Go ahead. In 3, and 2, and 1. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Okay, congratulations. Sit down. Right down. Everybody sit down, ma'am, sir. Salamat po sa inyo. Okay, Raika, ito yung huling piro mo sa pagiging dalaga. Bukas ito rin. Puro pa rin. Signature.
Ay, Patrick, sorry mo na to sabi ng mukha mo.
Naiyak na.
Naiyak na.
Hindi ng mama eh.
Mamasingkot ka na.
Madali ko na dyan sa Greece.
Maya, bago kayo lalabas ng office, stop, dadaan kayo para i-check nyo, double check nyo yung dokumento ninyo. Kaya make sure mamaya, 1 hanggang 18, double check yung 18. Okay? 2 witnesses pwede naman. Ma'am, sit down po. Good morning po sa mga nasa Greece, ma'am. Okay. Cut ka pa, ma'am. So, po dapat pare-parehas dito.
Ay, dito pala.
Kanina mamaya.
Sa akin.
Okay.
Congrats, ate.
Nakapirma na.
Pero mga to. Thank you.
Ang kapatid. Doon tayo sa kapatid.
Umiyak na din.
Brian, tayo na ang baby boy.
Pwede ka.
Magsingkutan kayo. Pinagpirma, tamad magpirma.
Lagi ako yung pinipirma. Bilang yan.
Ay.
Okay, okay sa kanila na, ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to present the newlyweds couple, Mr. and Mrs. Aquino. Palapakan naman natin ang bagong kasal. Hindi ka natin sabihin, ha? Ikala masaya, mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Mabuhay!